Here's a video I'm going to start showing some of my dust collectors. This particular one is an Oliver typewriter from way long ago and all dusty. It just sits on the shelf. Absolutely useless in today's day, but a very interesting bit of technology in its day. And it just sits on the shelf. You can use the latest of canned air that you use on your computer, clean it, get some of the dust off it, and some advertisement of when it came out. It was a highly technological marvel in its day. Solid cast iron, all sorts of controls and levers. Each one does something. Now it collects dust on the shelf. Interesting to look at and talk about. You can still get parts for it, still get ribbons. Online, I get this on eBay, new ribbons for it. They dry out sitting there. If I ever want to type on it, I'd put in the new ribbons. But since I can't type, it doesn't do me much good. All sorts of controls. Sorry. And it says, keep machine cleaned and oiled. And obviously I don't keep it that clean. It just sits on the shelf collecting dust. But the type is interesting. It's got these weird, bow-shaped, and it has 3 levels of type. You got the capital, where it's out one way, and capital and figure. The keyboard isn't like a modern keyboard. It's pretty close, but the keyboard is different. And it's got all sorts of controls. Don't know what all of them do. It says what it does. If I knew what I was looking at. But it weighs a lot. Put it on a scale. And it weighs in at 30.8 pounds. Like I say, it's all cast iron. And it's got these convenient handles to lift it. So I guess it was considered portable in its day. And after I finish, I'll probably clean it up a little bit better when I finished filming. It's got all sorts of gears and strings. There's a string in that. And over here it's a string that returns. And you got all sorts of different gears and whistles and levers. Where a secretary would know how to use this, all this stuff. And it had a device for underlining. You'd put this built-in pencil and you'd move it across the paper, drawing a line. typewriter company. Even a picture of it on its label. There's one of the advertisements. Pin type 145. I don't know what any of that means. Print type. Officer print type is in complete control of the typewriter situation. I guess that's officer print type. They had advertising way back then, ridiculous advertising. The only typewriter type in the world that conforms to the law of optics. But it's got buttons and levers, and even on the back little things to twist, and there's the little bell at the end of the line. It would ring the bell, and then you'd push it back and it would automatically advance a little bit the next line, and you'd type again. There's your tabulator key. You push it and it would advance again. Like I say, you can still get parts to this thing. I got the Oliver typewriter pencil on eBay, which goes in here, and you set it to the right height to draw lines, underlining, or whatever form you create, signature and a line under where you sign. And like I say, the secretaries in the day would use this very quickly and turn out really nice work. I can't use it. I could push the button, I could type on the computer with 2 fingers and hope the spell corrects my spelling, but there's no way to correct your spelling here. You do it right the first time, or you take out some sort of eraser and erase it, I guess. I don't think they even had the white out in those days. But that's just showing a thing from the past. Keep it on the shelf. It looks real cool looking there. And like I say, I don't know what all these things do, but there's quite a lot of controls and buttons and bells and dingers. And that's it for this video. And if you'd like and subscribe, I got some other old things I got sitting on the shelf I'd like to show. And if you subscribe and like, it'd be easier to find on the next time, because once you subscribe, the algorithm starts pulling stuff up from me. Well, that's it. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, hit the notifications, and see you in the next video.